This is a Juul starter kit review. This is the starter kit, everything that comes with it. Let's see, you got Juul device, USB charger, 4 flavored pods, cool mint, Virginia tobacco, cream brulee, mango. This is 5% strength. These are what it comes with. I already had the pods out. This is the pack that would come with it. The different flavors. And then you got the charging dock and the Juul device. This really helped me a lot in quitting smoking. Didn't really care too much about all the flavors, but they are still good. I tried them all, but I like the Virginia tobacco. But you got all of this. This is your charging dock. And your Juul. Charging dock just goes in, say like a laptop. Slides in. Juul pod fits in it. It's magnetic, stands up. Has a little light right here. Lights up. Take your pod, pop it in, it lights up, means it's ready to go. On these also, it takes about an hour to charge them up. And then there's a way to test it. If it turns red when you tap this twice, it's low, the battery. If it's yellow, it's medium, and if it's green, it's high. So let's see here. So it's green, as you can see. So it's charged up. Works pretty good. This is a Juul vape starter kit. Does work good. Tastes good, nice and smooth. Well, thank you for viewing.